Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to animate water running from a pipe using Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the tools that we have. We have our shapes, which is a cloud shape here, another cloud shape, and this shape is a wave, and this is also a wave. So we have two waves and two clouds, and that is what is going to make up this animation. So we have our tap here, of course, and what we do, we simply line up our waves. But first let's go into our animation. So the first animation that we're going to do is a wipe animation, and we just switch it to come from the top because the water comes from the pipe. All right, I'll set that with previous, and what I'm going to do, I'm going into the timing effects, and I'm just going to input let's say 500. Right, so it keeps flowing like that, and I want it to be a little faster, so I'll just and there we have our animation. And I'll do the same for this one. I'll just line it up here, and I'll do the same animation, the wipe animation, from the top with previous, a little 0.3 delay, and I'll also put this at 500, and of course change the duration, and we have our water running. Now to add the puddle as it's creating, I'll put this white cloud on the bottom here, and the animation I'm going to use is a shape animation, and I'll change that from in to out because that's how the puddle forms, and I'll let that go with previous, probably change the duration to about 5. Yeah, so as the water flows, there we go. And I'll also do the same for this blue cloud. The shape out with previous, and then I'll just put this at 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a delay to the blue cloud. I'll add a 0.25 delay. We'll see how that looks. There we go. And because I have the delay, I'll just shorten the duration by 0.25, so everything ends at the same time. And then I will do the reverse for these two waves. I will add an animation, wipe out, and it'll go back from the top as the pipe is closed. I'll set that after, oops. I will set this one after previous, and I'll also set the same for this next one. Wipe out. I'll set that with previous. So let's look at it in slideshow mode. And that is the animation. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel, check out our other videos, and I will see you guys in another one. Thank you so much for watching.